So we are cooking a fish sinigang. I put onions, ginger, tomato, and water. And then I'll put also this one, a little bit oyster patis sauce. Patis sauce for his salt. And then we can put already, I cook a little bit the tomato. Then now I can already put the fish. And I have here vegetables, string beans, okra, and eggplant. Since the fish is easy to cook, we can already put the eggplant and the string beans. We can put a little bit the okra later, because this okra is a little bit easier to cook. We can put it later. So we cover it. So after about 3 minutes, we can already put the okra, and then also the tamarind. A little bit tamarind, maybe 1/2 of this. Pangpaasim. Make it a little bit sour, the soup. Then we will put a little bit salt. So after putting all okra and the sinigang mix and salt, let's a little bit mix and then cover it. Wait about 2 minutes to cook. So after 2 minutes, let us taste if the salt is already enough. It's already good. The sinigang is already cooked. It's already ready to serve for dinner. Wow, it's yummy. That is sinigang fish. I'm also frying a little bit fish that we can eat together with the sinigang. So this is already finished, the fried fish, and we can eat this with sinigang fish. And of course with fresh cooked rice. Yummy!